All right, y'all, I gotta run to the store. It's gonna be a bad snowstorm, so I'm trying to make sure I get all my food, everything that I need. So let's do a quick grocery run. All right, let's see what we can get. Damn, why would I do this to myself? Ooh, it's so cold. And I forgot they locked that side at 8 p.m. This is annoying. We made it. We got our stuff. The grocery store is never this packed at this time of day. You know everybody's preparing for the storm. All right, let's look. They have at least done this maybe 4 or 5 times in like 30 minutes. You see how it's almost passing the first floor window? My car. Oh my gosh. Look how deep it is. The front is like almost to the front of that car.